In this video, I'll be showing you how to update your Samsung Smart TV from Tizen OS 8 to the latest Tizen OS 9 update. Now, all you need to do is simply open up or switch on your Smart TV and you want to navigate to your settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to go ahead and navigate to support, and then you're going to select software update. From here, you should see update now, so go ahead and select it. Then it will scan for any available updates. And as you can see, there is an update available. So all you need to do is simply select upgrade now and then confirm that you wish to upgrade and simply wait for the process to complete itself. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection as the process continues, and then wait for the TV to complete the restart as it finishes off the update. So just wait for it to finish the restart. And so welcome to the new Tizen One UI, and let's just select next and then next and get started. So from here, you can see your new revamped home screen. Again, it is fairly similar to the previous one, except everything is just bigger and you can be able to see everything in a bigger scale compared to the previous one. So here you have it. You can now start using the new One UI on your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.